Okay, the next horizontal power motion for a long snapper is called the single arm push press. What we're going to do, we're going to stand sideways. We're going to get the medicine ball up, like some that of mimicking a shot put with the medicine ball close to the ear. Good flex state. We're going to compress or flex the back leg, posterior leg, which in this case right leg for the right arm, and we're going to use some twisting motion, and we're going to explode. And as we explode, as we come towards full extension, the arm will expand. And when the legs are fully extended, we want total arm extension, and we want the ball to not go as much vertical as more horizontal, because the emphasis is power with strength in a linear motion. So we want the ball to be in the air for the longest distance of length. Okay, so we're going to ask Dwayne to do a couple repetitions.